Welcome in the online classes with Flying Academy. This will be our new approach regarding the current situation. By using this way, you will be able to continue attending the classes and proceeding with your training. You will be receiving an email to join the class. In this email, you will find a link that will allow you to join the online class. As well as, in case if there are any supporting materials or useful links, you will be receiving attachments in the email. As the example showing. Click Yes to record your attendance, then press on the link to join the class. Do not forget to mute your microphone before joining, as there are many students already in the class, and to avoid interrupting the flow of the information for others. One more thing you should know, after you join the class by clicking on the link in the email, you will receive a link on the chat bar where you can ask question to the instructor. Congrats, now you are in the online class. Do not hesitate to ask any question regarding the subject, by using the link which we mentioned before. Our new approach will help you in an effective and sufficient way to keep up with training and completing your aviation knowledge. Be safe, dear pilots.